Do you want to learn all the skills and techniques you need to create incredible designs? Do you want to know the process of how to create logos and branding packages? Are you intimidated by learning Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign and want to learn from practical, real-world projects? Then this class is for you. We will extensively review graphic design theory, including typography, color, and layout theory. You'll understand proper type hierarchy and balance to create stunning layouts. We will review how to crop and edit photos in design, understanding different type styles, how to work with headlines, larger blocks of copy, understanding the emotions of color, how to make color choices, and layout and blocking to create effective layouts that engage the viewer. We will cover a huge variety of topics and projects, including photo manipulations, magazine layouts, branding and logo design projects, just to name a few. We will learn the basics of Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, and complete projects with real-world applications. Every designer needs to know how to master these programs, and this course makes sure you have the essential tools and software to power through and create amazing designs. In Photoshop, we'll start with the basic tools and we'll eventually cover photo editing and manipulation techniques like non-destructive editing, duotones, liquify tool, the many ways to isolate and cut out objects, layering masks, and the amazing content aware tool. We'll work through several projects to practice and fine-tune our newly learned skills, including a full book cover design and a YouTube thumbnail. Next, we'll learn Adobe Illustrator from the very beginning with a new interactive way of learning. We will work through a 7-page vector tracing worksheet together and be able to create all of the icons and symbol you see here with our newly learned skills. We will feel very comfortable using the pen tool and other tools to cut out objects, draw complex illustrations, and even create this detailed graphic by the end of the section. We will also dive deep into learning about logo design and what makes a solid logo design, and we'll even create our own logo and brand package using Adobe Illustrator. There's also lessons along the way that show you solid examples and the why behind what makes them work. Next up, we'll learn Adobe InDesign, where we learn the basic tools and tricks by creating several mini projects, including several pages of editorial content, including a full editorial spread. We will learn master pages, character and paragraph styles, and global color swatches to quickly speed up your workflow and multiple page documents. We will then take our newly learned skills and create a cookbook cover and several inside recipe spreads to create something professional and compelling. There are tons of extra valuable content and sections in this course. It includes a section on the most up-to-date design trends so you can be knowledgeable about what's hot in the design world right now. There's a really great newly added section in this course called Finding Your Design Niche. This section walks through a lot of the top design niches, including logo design, editorial design, UX/UI design, and a few more. By the end of the section, you'll have confidence in knowing where you fit in the world of design and have confidence in knowing where your next focus should lie. There are tons of great downloadable resources in this course, including a brand new 11-page guide to using grids, a color theory sheet, an anatomy of typography poster, a font pairing guide, and a wonderful graphic design resource PDF that contains all of my favorite free and paid tools, resources, and places to find design inspiration. And newly added to the course is the portfolio building template. After the InDesign section, you'll be able to fully customize this portfolio template to create fantastic portfolios using a wide variety of effective layouts. This class is dynamic and new content is added frequently. I have an active community of fellow students that I hold monthly design challenges to continually sharpen your newfound design skills. So I look forward to having you as a student, and let's learn together.